Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to measure your area on Google Maps. And by the way, if you're using your tablet, your phone, your laptop, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process. Especially if you're using an iOS device, or to be specific, an Apple device or a MacBook. And as you can see here, I'm currently using a Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, or let's just say Windows OS. It's literally the same, so please stay on the video, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up Google Maps. Simply type in Google Maps on the search bar right there. And now we're just gonna measure a certain country and neighborhood, whatever you want to measure in Google Maps. Let's just say right here, I'm gonna look for a very small area to measure, so it won't take much of our time. Let's say this one right here. Okay? Let me check if it's better on this view or this view right here. Let's say I want to measure this island, Shapar. The thing here is, you just right click on a certain edge first. For example, this one. I'm gonna right click on that one, measure distance. And as you can see, there is a circle dot. If it's not centered to your liking, you can just hold it and drag it on the very spot you want to place it, okay? So that's our starting point. The thing we're gonna do right now is just click on the edges as we go through right here. Now, you can do this as slow as possible as you want. You can also do it as fast as possible, and it's not accurate. You're just gonna have like an accurate or an estimate of the area. So I'm just clicking on the edges right here to have an estimate. Okay, so we're just gonna enclose it from one dot to the starting point right there. So the last edge right here will be over on that dot right there, right? Now simply click on that specific dot again, not on the one that's beside it. Make sure the last one should be on the same starting point. If you click on that one, you'll have right here total area is 2 kilometers squared. That's going to be 21,000 or 21,496 and 141.32 feet squared. That being said, at the bottom part there is also distance, and the area you're looking for is on the top version. Okay. That being said, that's how you measure your distance or your area on Google Maps. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.